Warning: the business world is changing fast, and if you're still stuck in the old ways, you're going to be left behind. In this video, I'm giving you 5 next-level business ideas that anyone in America, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Europe can start in 2025, even with little money. These ideas are already making people thousands per month, and if you act now, you can be one of the early winners. But wait, I spend hours making these videos for you, and most of you just watch and never subscribe. Come on, hit that subscribe button. You want to grow, I want to help. Let's do this together. Business idea number 1, AI-powered side hustles, low investment, high profit. AI is the biggest moneymaker of 2025. Businesses are desperate for AI-powered content, automation, and marketing. How you can profit: AI content agency. Create blog posts, scripts, and ads using AI tools. AI-powered video editing. Sell AI-generated faceless YouTube videos. AI voiceovers and podcasts. Use AI to create professional voiceovers. Earning potential: $5,000 to $20,000 per month. No tech skills needed. Business idea number 2, EV rental and flipping, the future of cars. EV adoption is skyrocketing, and people want to rent before they buy. How you can start: buy a secondhand Tesla or other EV. Rent it out on Turo, Getaround, or local car rental platforms. Flip it later for higher resale value. Earning potential: rent just one car for $100 to $200 per day. Business idea number 3, subscription box, empire, recurring monthly income. Why this works: people love exclusive premium products delivered every month. Hottest niche ideas: eco-friendly products like bamboo toothbrushes and vegan skincare. Luxury men's grooming kits including beard oils, fragrances, and high-end razors. Pet subscription box with healthy treats and unique pet toys. Earnings potential: subscription equals recurring monthly revenue. Start with just 100 subscribers at $30 per month, and you're looking at $3,000 per month. Business idea number 4, AI-generated online courses, make passive income. The e-learning industry is booming. The best part? AI can now do most of the work for you. How to start in 3 steps. Pick a trending topic. AI tools, side hustles, productivity hacks. Use ChatGPT and 11 Labs to write and voice your course. Sell it on Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. Earnings potential: $5,000 to $50,000 per course. 100% passive income. Business idea number 5, virtual reality, VR. Business: the future is here. VR is exploding, and businesses are paying big for VR experiences. How you can cash in: virtual travel tours, offer VR tours of New York, Paris, London, VR fitness coaching, run VR-based personal training sessions, VR shopping experiences, build virtual malls and rent space to brands. Early adopters in VR are making $10,000 plus per month already. Final call to action: get them to subscribe. Now tell me, which business idea blew your mind the most? Drop a comment. I personally reply to every comment. But wait, most of you watch my videos, get insane business ideas, and never subscribe. I work hard to give you game-changing content for free. If you want more powerful ideas like this, hit that subscribe button right now. Because if you don't take action today, someone else will. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you.